Good morning. Going to do a quick little session to restore these lessons here. Sorry I didn't post a video yesterday. I stayed up way too late the night before
L'Espagne.
watching videos of car crashes on YouTube. Why in the world I did that, I don't know, but it was that like Sunday night where you don't want to go to bed because you know you have to get up and go to work in the morning. But you should go to bed because you know you have to get up and go to work in the morning.
Journaliste.
It's like your way of, I don't know how to explain it, but like staying up late is your way of asserting your authority, like I control my life, and the fact that I have to get up tomorrow morning and go to work, well, you can't keep me from staying up late, so yeah, that's what I did. So I slept in and went straight to work.
Trait. Femme.
Étudiant. Chat.
I downloaded and I bought a subscription to Babbel, and I can tell you so far, it's
Je travaille à New York.
confusing. I mean, it's not confusing in the fact, like, I know how to use it. It's very simple to use. You just click a lesson and do it. But it's confusing in the fact that I don't see how, there's no kind of, like, way of showing you that you're progressing, like there is with Duo, where you have levels, and I think I'm on level 3 right now with French, or I'm working my way up to level 3. Babbel, it looks like it's just, it just has the lessons, and it'll show you how many you finished and what percentage you finished, but it doesn't show any kind of like progression. So, and I did it for Spanish, so I may post a video or two. Or I may not. I don't know. I'm going to give it a few more days, see if I like it. If not, I'm going to see if I can get a refund.
Marc. Travail. Je travaille en Espagne.
The other issue I'm having right now is there's no placement test. There is kind of, like, there's one on the website. You go to the website, you take the placement test, and then it's supposed to send you to the app, to the lesson you should start with, and it doesn't work. And there's no placement test like Duolingo has in the app, so.
Marie. En.
Je travaille.
So there's that.
Il travaille à York.
I'd had
Elle est
another
étudiante.
issue on that. When I bought the subscription, the app wasn't recognizing that I had one. And so it wasn't giving me access to all the lessons. I emailed the customer service, and they emailed this morning and said that it should be working, and it was. So I don't know what happened.
Elle. Elle est étudiante. Est étudiante. En Europe.
En Europe.
J'habite en Europe. Espagne.
Louis
Voilà,
étudie à
ok.
Paris. Louis étudie à Paris.
Louis étudie à Paris. So in the case of that, you just really just say etudia. That E Étudier, étudie, étudia. Yeah, you don't say that. I guess you wouldn't say it anyway. She's an étudiante. She's a female.
Tu habites à
student.
Bordeaux? Tu habites à Bordeaux?
Shit, Chase. Look what you're doing.
Tu habites à New York?
J'habite en Europe. Habite
J'habite
en.
en Europe. Here we are.
Tu habites à Bordeaux?
To habite à
Tu habites à Bordeaux?
Bordeaux. Yep. My fake streak. Streak used. Get more to keep your. You have 0 of 2. Whatever. It's all fake now anyway.
Le restaurant.
Le restaurant.
Aéroport.
Aéroport. Tu prends le train. Billet d'avion. Je prends le train.
Je. Aéroport. Anglais.
Gare. Tu prends la voiture?
It is a hotel. C'est un hotel.
Hôtel. Tu prends une valise?
Did you take a suitcase or it's not did you, that's past. Are you taking a suitcase? You are going to the train station.
Tu vas à gare.
Le billet d'avion. 2. Avion.
Où est la gare, s'il vous plaît?
Où est la gare, s'il vous plaît?
Un passeport français. J'ai un passeport américain.
J'ai un passeport américain. There's no S in l'hôpital. Oh no, it's a hotel, duh.
Le restaurant français.
Le restaurant espagnol. L'hôtel. No, there was one more. There it is. So it looks like there'll only ever be 3 of these at a time, which is good. Matière. Is that how you say that?
Étudiant. Matière.
Matière.
Sucre.
Pays.
Gâteau. Les examens.
Examen. Difficile.
Sorry.
Les examens sont difficiles.
The exams are difficult. French is easy. Le français est facile. That's a lie, straight from the pit of
J'apprends
hell.
l'italien.
That's what my mom used to say. Straight from the pit of hell. What is this one?
J'apprends l'italien.
Français.
C'est facile.
C'est un dictionnaire français.
C'est un dictionnaire français. Vous allez. Y'all go. Y'all go. Drink. Y'all go.
Comprendre.
Listen. Y'all are going to understand. You are going to
Tu
understand
lis le
this lesson.
dictionnaire et c'est intéressant?
Tu lis le dictionnaire et c'est intéressant. He studies a difficult subject.
Vous devez comprendre le français.
Vous devez?
Vous devez comprendre le français.
So here's vous devez.
Vous devez comprendre le français.
Vous devez? Vous devez?
Vous devez comprendre le français.
You all should learn French. Interesting. You have to understand. Apprendre and comprendre. I've never known any language other than English. Do I know the difference between those two words? Je comprends anglais. Je comprends anglais. Okay. Whatever. I understand. Comprehend. Je comprends. Je comprends l'anglais. All right, we are restored. So, yeah, I'm on level 2, working my way to level 3. Obviously, I've got quite a ways to go, but I've come pretty far. I know I didn't start the videos at number 1. I didn't think about making videos until I was past level 1, but I did. Well, obviously I did all of these. They're all gold. So, because even if you test out of something, it doesn't turn it gold. It just makes it available. All right. Thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.